Hi there, thanks for joining me this afternoon. I am so excited because there's a friend that grew up in the desert, and his wife is an amazing seamstress, and she just started selling the totes and bags that she makes. And so of course I had to have one, and like I want all of them that she sews, but I picked this specific outfit pattern out because I really love the desert and I'm really grateful. She has a lot of cool designs like this. And at the end of this video, once I show you this, I'll show you where you guys can find her. Also, you can look in the description underneath the video, and that's going to show you, I'll put a link there to tell you how to get there, how to get to her page. Sorry, struggling with that a little bit. This is such cute packaging. Also, one of the reasons, I mean, I did want to just make this because I'm excited about it and I love unboxings, but also one of the things I love about her products is that they're perfect for blanks. She does some of them herself that custom made, so if you can't do it, she can. She does have a Cricut. But if you want to buy blanks to do your embroidery, oh, packaging is so cute. To do your embroidery or HTV on. Oh, I love this. These are wonderful. The first thing I thought of was, oh my gosh, what designs can I put on this? Most likely going to be a monogram, but I'm not sure if they do this for everybody, but I'm sure they do. Let's see. Oh, I'm not a very good letter opener. I already ripped it. Oh, I'm so excited. It says, Stephanie, thank you so much for purchasing this set. I'm so glad they found a good home. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you in the future. Sorry about that interruption there. If you follow my page, you know my husband travels, so when he calls, then my videos get interrupted because I have to answer that. Anyways, so this says, Stephanie, thank you so much for purchasing this set. I'm so glad they found a good home. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you in the future. Thank you, Sammy. Oh, I love it. And look how cute the card is. And here's the business card for anybody who's gonna fall in love with this stuff. I just know you will. All right, so go ahead and pause that and write all that stuff down. Also, it'll all be in the description as well. And I'm going to bring my laptop over here so that you can see what the page looks like, just to make sure you're on the right page. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I love it, you guys. That's really nice material too. Oh, she's so good at zippers. I'm terrible at zippers. Oh, that's so pretty. I love everything that she's done, and like I literally probably could be like the biggest cheerleader for her, and I wish I could buy everything, but when I saw this, it was so pretty and so simple, and I don't know, it just called me. I really had to have it. So because this is small, we are probably going to use this one for the embroidery machine, and then do another video doing HTV on this. So we're going to personalize both of these pieces in separate videos. That is so pretty. The whole inside is lined. I've made a billion bags, but I've never lined the inside. I'm so bad. I just hope for the best. This is really, really nice. Oh, you guys. All right, well, I hope you found this helpful. I absolutely love this. You can buy them just to have them as they are, which is really how she meant them. But when I saw them, I thought, oh my gosh, perfect for blanks. And everybody's always looking for blanks. I know that. Okay, so I'm gonna gently put you up so you can see what her page looks like. I would do this on screen software, but that's just another step whenever I can just show you. Let's show you the photos. And most of her stuff so far, honestly, sells pretty quickly. But, you know, she's going to be doing this. And you can special order anything. If you like any of these fabrics, she most likely has more. She's a really good eye for color and the right kind of combinations. This one is my other second favorite. I love the cowboy boots and the floral inside. So as you can see, she makes really cute stuff. The bag was $14 and the little handbag was $7. And shipping, I think, was like $5. It was really cheap. And it got here in like 3 days, even with everything that's going on. I mean, I've had it for a week, unfortunately, but it did get here quickly. I love that. Look, it's so shiny and pretty. So yeah. Oh, anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you guys find Sammy, and I hope you order some awesome stuff from her. Talk to you guys later. See you soon. Bye.